Oh, it's slippery here. There they go, scaring off the big... Where's Daniel? Oh, there he is. Oh, there's so many geese out here. Look at all these geese. 2 yards. Amanda's going to chase them away. There they go. Oh my gosh. A gaggle of geese. Didn't take much. We're standing out there. A gray, cold day. And they're gone. Oh, there's a few up there. They're gonna go get them too. Go ahead, Amanda. Here they come. Daniel went with her. A stray one catching up with his buddies. There's 7 geese. 7 geese are laying that didn't want to leave. For some reason, they're up on the hill. Ooh, have to go in now. It's cold.
Is it on?
It's on now. Here we are with Miss America. Let's see the back of the hair. Oh, look at those curls. And the long, pretty dress. Turn around again. She's like a princess. There's Eddie. Okay. Well, here's the girls we're videoing with their beautiful corsages. Maybe one day we'll get this turned into a photo. And let's see the back of the hairs with the bows. Oh, pretty. Shiny. Well, it's going to be a dancing night.
Yep.